Is it necessary for data engineers to be sound in DevOps? The thing is, like with DevOps, I think DevOps is important, and I have in the fundamentals course here. Let's go into the fundamentals course quickly. I have in the fundamentals course. How long is that video? I think it's one of the shorter ones. Agile roles, DevOps here. 5 minutes. 5 minutes 40. I have a video there about that, and I think it's important because when you think about you usually have to operate the whole process, not just like development. As an engineer or as a scientist, you most likely work the whole like the whole, how's that called, pipeline, the whole circle from development into like bring it into production, monitoring it, documenting bugs, then creating new specifications and collaboration, and then like coding, and integration and delivery. So that's these things are important. It's like sometimes I have the feeling like people are making a big deal out of DevOps, like it's that you can read 500 hours on something like DevOps, but how is it lived? And it should be lived pragmatically, and not like this how it's taught in a book, or how some people teach it. It should be kept pragmatic, and should be focused, or done in a detail that fits to the size of the team and fits to the company. So it's also a how do you say this, a culture thing, a bit, like the level of how this is lived.